The battle for the best truck of 2026 is intense. With advanced technology, upgraded performance, and new features, automakers are going head-to-head to claim the top spot. So, who wins? Which truck will take the crown and set the standard for all others? In this video, we break down the top 10 best trucks for 2026, ranked from number 10 to number 1, based on their raw power, towing capacity, luxury, off-road capability, and overall performance. Whether you're looking for strength, comfort, or the latest tech, these trucks are pushing the limits of what pickups can do. Let's find out who stands at the top of the 2026 truck battle. Number 10. Nissan Titan 2026. The 2026 Nissan Titan still holds its ground as a reliable and durable full-size truck. Powered by a 5.6-liter V8 engine, it delivers 400 horsepower and 413 pound-feet of torque, with a maximum towing capacity of 9,350 pounds. While it doesn't have the power or towing capacity of its competitors, the Titan offers dependable performance, making it a strong contender in the race for the best truck. For those looking for a straightforward, no-frills option, the Titan delivers solid value, giving buyers peace of mind with its sturdy build and practical design. While it may not have the same high-end features or refinement as some others in the segment, its consistent performance on the road and reliability over the years make it a standout for buyers who appreciate simplicity. Number 9. Toyota Tundra 2026. The 2026 Toyota Tundra builds on its 2022 redesign, adding more power and tech features to stay competitive. The hybrid version, with 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque, is a game-changer in this class. Towing up to 12,000 pounds, the Tundra offers a blend of power and efficiency that makes it one of the top trucks for both work and play. Inside, the Tundra features modern upgrades like a 14-inch touchscreen, providing an intuitive interface for all your media and navigation needs. Toyota's suite of advanced safety features comes standard, ensuring a safe and comfortable ride. For those who need a truck with strong towing power and a reliable reputation, the Tundra remains a top contender for 2026, blending traditional Toyota durability with new-age tech and performance. Number 8. Ram 1526. Ram continues to dominate the full-size truck market, and the 26 Ram 1500 only solidifies that position. Offering a smooth ride and a range of engine options, including the 5.7-liter HEMI V8, the Ram 1500 excels in both performance and comfort. With a maximum towing capacity of 12,750 pounds and a luxurious interior with premium materials and advanced tech, it's an excellent choice for buyers looking for both power and luxury in their truck. The 2026 model also offers improved tech features, including a new infotainment system with a larger screen for easier access to all controls. Ram's dedication to providing a comfortable, high-end driving experience, coupled with impressive towing capability, makes it a strong competitor in 2026's heavy-duty truck lineup. Number 7. GMC Sierra 1526. The 26 GMC Sierra 1500 is the perfect balance of power and sophistication, offering a range of engine options from the base 2.7-liter turbocharged engine to the 6.2-liter V8, which delivers 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. The Sierra can tackle tough jobs with ease. It boasts a maximum towing capacity of 13,000 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks from work to recreation. The 2026 model also features an upgraded interior with a larger touchscreen and advanced tech features that provide a premium experience on the road. The bold exterior design, with its sleek grille and sharp lines, adds to the truck's presence. GMC has ensured that the Sierra 1500 combines power, style, and cutting-edge tech, making it a leading contender in its class. Number 6. Chevrolet Silverado 1526. Chevrolet's 2026 Silverado 1500 continues to be a powerhouse, with a 6.2-liter V8 engine producing 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. With a maximum towing capacity of 13,300 pounds, it ranks among the top in its class for strength. The Silverado 1500 offers a wide range of configurations, so you can tailor it to your specific needs. Inside, the Silverado is both spacious and refined, with a high-tech infotainment system that makes long drives more enjoyable. The Silverado remains a versatile truck for both work and play, offering reliability and value that many buyers seek. Whether you're towing a trailer or simply cruising on the highway, the Silverado 1500 provides a balanced mix of power, comfort, and practicality, making it a solid choice for 2026. Number 5. Ford F-150 2026. The Ford F-150 remains the best-selling truck in America, and the 2026 model continues to set the standard. With a variety of engine options, including a hybrid 3.5-liter V6 that produces 430 horsepower and 570 pound-feet of torque, the F-150 offers both power and efficiency. Its maximum towing capacity of 14,000 pounds makes it perfect for heavy-duty tasks, while the 2026 version features cutting-edge technology, including a 12-inch digital display and the Pro Power onboard system, which turns your truck into a mobile generator. The F-150 is built to be rugged and versatile, making it a top choice for buyers who need both capability and technology. Whether you're hauling materials for work or embarking on an off-road adventure, the F-150 continues to be one of the most well-rounded and popular trucks on the market. Number 4. Ford F-250 Super Duty 2026. For those who need even more power, the 2026 Ford F-250 Super Duty delivers. Powered by a 6.7-liter Powerstroke 5.8 diesel engine, it produces 475 horsepower and an impressive 1,050 pound-feet of torque, enabling it to tow up to 20,000 pounds. The interior of the F-250 Super Duty is spacious and luxurious, featuring leather upholstery and a 12-inch touchscreen for easy access to all your driving information. The F-250 offers a seamless blend of power, luxury, and practicality, making it a top competitor for 2026. Whether you're using it for work or recreation, this truck delivers strength, durability, and comfort for all your needs. Number 3. Ram 2500 The 2026 Ram 2500 is built to handle the toughest challenges. With a 6.7-liter Cummins turbo diesel engine producing 370 horsepower and 850 pound-feet of torque, the Ram 2500 is a true powerhouse, offering a towing capacity of 19,680 pounds. It excels in heavy-duty tasks without sacrificing comfort, providing a smooth and enjoyable ride, even under heavy loads. Inside, the cabin is equipped with high-quality materials, offering a luxurious driving experience that you wouldn't expect from a work truck. The 2026 model also features advanced tech such as adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning, ensuring a safer, more convenient driving experience. Number 2. GMC Sierra 2500 HD 2026. The 2026 GMC Sierra 2500 HD is a beast of a truck, offering a 6.6-liter Duramax V8 diesel engine with 445 horsepower and 910 pound-feet of torque. With a towing capacity of 18,500 pounds, the Sierra 2500 HD is built to take on the toughest tasks, whether you're hauling heavy equipment or towing large trailers. The interior is spacious and features premium materials including leather upholstery, providing both comfort and style. The upgraded infotainment system ensures that drivers stay connected on the go. Number 1. Ford F-350 Super Duty 2026. Taking the top spot for 2026 is the Ford F-350 Super Duty, the ultimate truck for those who demand maximum towing and payload capacity. Powered by the 6.7-liter Powerstroke 5.8 diesel engine, it delivers 475 horsepower and an incredible 1,050 pound-feet of torque, enabling the F-350 to tow up to 35,000 pounds when properly equipped. This makes it the most capable truck in Ford's lineup for 2026, easily handling the heaviest loads. The 2026 truck lineup is packed with competition, offering everything from the Ford F-350 Super Duty's towing power to the Ram 1500's luxury. Whether you need raw strength, off-road capability, or advanced tech, these trucks set new standards. Ultimately, they are pushing the boundaries of what we expect from modern pickups. So, which one wins for you? Let us know your top pick for 2026 in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more on the latest truck trends.